car.
Sorry, dude. You just look more interesting than everyone else, so I'm getting more footage of you.
Unless you want to follow me into that base.
Sure.
What the fuck up? Aim. Yeah, one guy's definitely taking aim.
We got hostiles out front. Hostiles out front. Looks like that.
You? Yeah. Keep suppressing. Is it? All right. Okay, right there behind there. Under the camera, stairs. No, the camera. What? You got with the camera. You got a guy in there, other side of the boat. You ready? There's one there.
Oh, hello.
That's right, sir.
Surrender.
Well, surrender.
I already surrendered you.
You're like, my nuts, man.
All I had to say is there's two people here and one of you. You're dead to right.
Yeah, I think it's a little hard to surrender people with a sniper rifle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll see what I can do to push up, okay?
Alright.
Hey, if y'all can move up, this box bag's not going to hold them forever, but I can keep them down in the tower for right now.
Texans, I need y'all to move forward. Move forward on whiskey. Move forward on whiskey. All sides, move forward on whiskey. ASAP, ASAP.
Hey! Hey!
Huh?
Hey! Keep your head down. Where did you fire at? Gia, where do you want it?
Oh!
Yeah! You refused to surrender because there were people pointing at you. They're three at you. We're dead! Dead. Hit! Hit!